From cars to skyscrapers, virtual reality is being used at the cutting edge of design. But what about pharmaceuticals?
It takes about 10 to 12 years to take a drug from a concept to the market. It's often described as trying to find a needle in a haystack.
Researching new drugs is often a long and expensive undertaking.
Some of the latest figures are a cost of around $2 billion to get a drug to market, but that's not because that drug took $2 billion to get. It's because of all the other costs you've spent to find that one.
So companies are constantly looking for new ways to accelerate the process. C4X Discovery in Manchester, England, sees virtual reality as the key.
I can have a proper look inside there.
The reason why virtual reality could be very important for us more than others is that the data set we get from our NMR technology, where we get this conformational, this ensemble of shapes for each molecule, is so much more data rich that you can't just look at it easily on a 2D or even a single 3D display.
That 4D data is what sets C4XD apart. They developed a program called Foresight to interpret it. It uses the Unreal Engine, the same platform that powers Fortnite, the video game phenomenon played by millions around the world. To craft it, C4XD turned to former video game developer Phil Mwanga.
Foresight's software is the same as a game. We have a user base, we are trying to get them to do tasks over and over again, and they're trying to do it in a fun and intuitive fashion, because if you need to do something for 8 hours a day, it helps if it is easy to use.
But why would scientists need a video game to develop new medicines? It allows them to interpret the shape and behavior of molecules from an entirely new level. Pairing the right drug molecules with their target proteins in the human body is critical to the design process. The wrong pairing can cause side effects in the patient.
The thing that makes the biggest difference is this ability to move two things independently from each other with the hands, which is so great compared to using just on 2D on a screen.
C4XD is already seeing positive results with a new drug to combat addiction entering clinical trials. But there are limits to how long someone will wear a VR headset. So C4XD is already looking ahead to other technologies.
We want to bring all of these technologies together so we can have scientists working in 2D, working in VR, working in AR, all in a shared online space and all able to interact with each other.
And all that collaboration could lead to the development of life-saving drugs.